guys, so today we are going to do something really exciting. Today we are going to build the real Rajya Sabha.
Wait. What?
Yes, we are going to build the Rajya Sabha.
Wait, build the Rajya Sabha? What are you talking about?
Yeah. Wait. Let me tell you. Trust me, you keep rolling.
Okay.
Yes, you heard me right. Today we are going to build the realistic miniature version of the real Rajya Sabha. Are you also wondering how we are going to pull it off? Come, let me show you. Hey guys, let's take a look at how we made the backdrop for the Rajya Sabha. So firstly, I cut these designs which are very specific to Rajya Sabha. I cut them in two sizes, big and small, and then I stuck them accordingly. Then we go to the framing. Now for the fun part, my favorite, painting. Here I have used the shades of yellow, orange and brown. The shades of orange and yellow over here. Here I have used the dabbing technique. Why dabbing technique? Well, it gives us this interesting textures when compared to the strokes of the paintbrush. The browns are for the frames and the doors. In the Rajya Sabha, they have used the specific theme of national flower, which is lotus. If you look closely, the design of the national flower is carved onto the frames of the Rajya Sabha's wall. Voila! That's how we have the backdrop of the Rajya Sabhas ready. So now let's go for the flooring. Here I have taken a very basic velvet cloth which will act as a Rajya Sabha's carpet. On top of this, we are going to paint a particular design which is very specific for the Rajya Sabha's carpet. Let's go for it. Now that the pattern is ready, here let's use the method of masking. Now we are going to place this pattern over the cloth and paint over it to get the design. And just like that, we have the flooring for the Rajya Sabha ready. So now let's go make the chairs and the tables. As you can see, the seating arrangements in the Rajya Sabha is semicircular. Let's try to replicate the same. For that, let's grab a foam board of 5 mm thickness to make the tabletop and the sides of the table. Here I have maintained a height of 2.5 inches and length of 7.5 inches for the first row. To make the frontal part, I'll get the straw board and cut according to the size. Now we will use this laminate sheet which is available at any of your local hardware stores just to add to the finishing. Well, this is how it looks like. Wait, we are not done yet. There is still some detailings to be done. Let's go. Now we are done with the design. This is the same design that we find on the frames of the Rajya Sabha's wall. For this table, let's add the screen and the mic. For the microphones, here we have taken this bendable wire and mold it. Now we cut the small piece of the wire and bend it according to the shape of the microphone. Then we are going to use this mold it and roll it into the shape of the ball and stick it on the wire. For the base of the microphone and the screen, we are going to use this foam board and paint it black. Now let's go make the Vice President chair for the Rajya Sabha. Here we have 3D printed the chair and painted it brown, and here I have used a red velvet cloth for the cushion. Now let us add the arch which stands behind the chair. For that we will take a foam board and a straw board. Here we will take a foam board and cut it to a size which is little taller than the height of the chair. Here we are made the arch out of foam board and strips from the straw board. The reason we have used a straw board because it is flexible and it can easily take a shape of the arch. Now this will be our main structure. All we have to do is stick it, paint it and give a little detailing to this. Now we are done with the arch and chair. What are we waiting for? Let's go set it up. There you have it, our very own realistic miniature version of Rajya Sabha. I hope this video helps you to unleash your creativity and create your own magic. See you next time. Bye.